So hi, welcome back. So let us learn about few more keyword finder tools. In this video, I will explain and demonstrate the working of Keyword Shitter, Suggestion Keyword Finder, and Word Scout, an extension to the Chrome browser. So let us begin. Search for Keyword Shitter in the Google and go to Keyword Shitter, bulk keyword tool. Shitter keyword is very simple tool to get keyword ideas in bulk on a seed keyword. Let us see how it works. Type any seed keyword here like digital marketing and hit the shit keyword. It will start the work immediately and it will show the results in autocomplete form. That means first word will be your seed keyword and the next few words will be suggested by the tool to make a complete phrase. It will keep on working until you stop it. Let us stop the job. We have list of thousands of suggested keywords converted into long phrases. You can also download the list of keywords to do some research on suggested keywords. When the list is so long, we want to focus on few selected keywords. Then these filters will be very useful. Let us see how to use them. Let me again enter my seed word, that is digital marketing. We have very long list of words. Let us use filters. First we have the positive filter. It means the word you type here should be suggested phrase. Rest all phrases will disappear. Let us say my aim is to look for those phrases containing the word course. It is case sensitive, so be careful. You can see results are narrowed down. We are left only with those phrases having the keyword course. Similarly, you can use a negative filter to further narrow down the results. When you enter any word in negative filter, then this tool will show you all the phrases and the phrases containing negative words will disappear. Here, I don't want the distance in the result. See, phrase containing the word distance disappeared. So this was very simple tool to use, especially for the beginners. Just make use of this tool and identify various keywords for your website planning and search engine optimization. Now let us discuss the next tool, and the name of that tool is Suggestion Keyword Finder. So let us see how to work on this tool. Suggestion Keyword Finder is another very simple tool to get ideas about keywords. It has 3 levels which help in finding the long phrases. At level 1, it will give you the 10 best result of keywords or sub-keywords. Like, I want results for digital marketing. Press submit. It has suggested me 10 best sub-keywords for the main keyword, that is digital marketing. Like digital marketing agency, digital marketing job, and so on at level 1. At level 2, it will pick each phrase and word from level 1 and suggest 10 more keywords for that phrase. See, first it picked digital marketing agency and suggested 10 more keywords, and then it picked the digital marketing jobs and suggested 10 more keywords. It will repeat the process for every keyword appeared in the first level, and in this way you will get 100 new keywords. Now at level 3, it will expand the list of words further. Now it will take each word from the level 2 and will expand it further. Like it picked the first word digital marketing agency Los Angeles and suggested 2 new keywords. Similarly, it picked the second keyword and suggested 1 more keyword similar to that, and this way the process will continue and you will be having good number of keywords starting from a single word. Hope you will find it useful. Now I will discuss the last tool, that is Word Tracker Scout. Actually, it's a Chrome extension and can be used to find important keywords from competitors' site, to check the relevancy of keywords. You can also apply various filters to find out long tail keywords. Let us see how it works. To install this extension, visit Chrome Web Store and search for Word Tracker Scout extension. Add it to Chrome, click Add Extension. Word Tracker Scout has been added to the Chrome and a small icon will appear in the bar. To see the functioning of it, let me open one page, usually the page of your competitor. Let us analyze this page for important keywords. Click on the icon Word Tracker Scout and it will gather the data from this page. It will present the data in the form of word cloud, where the keywords bigger in the font size are more relevant to this page based on the Word Tracker Scout's algorithm. You can see words like business, Punjab University, school, university seems to be more relevant. Now what is relevance score? It indicates how important to the page of the publisher the keyword is, and high relevance score represent high relevancy of the keywords to the page. You can modify the word cloud on the basis of high to low relevance score by sliding this point in each direction. The number 54 represent number of keywords at given point of time, and so on. If you are interested in very few and high relevant keywords, slide it to the higher side. Now let us talk about number of keywords. Here 1 represent one word keywords, and if you unselect it, all one words keywords will disappear. To bring them back, again press 1 and so on. You can see in the last we have only these long keywords having 5 words. These filters will help you to focus on important keywords to include them in the website. The second tab is Insights, which shows details of all keywords. In the first column, we have all keywords on the page starting from 1 word to 5 words given in the second column. The last column is the relevance score of each word, showing the relevancy of keywords. You may select the keywords on the basis of this score. Lastly, we have Keyword tab, which represent number of searches for each keyword. Higher number of searches is another indication of popularity of keywords. But here we have to make the judgment in a given context. Lastly, you can copy and save the data in a different file. So with this, we have completed our module on Keyword Planner tools. I hope that the demonstration of various Keyword Planner tools will surely help you to identify various keywords for your website planning and for the search engine optimization purpose. I will discuss the Google Search Console in another video. Till then, just hold on. Now after the completion of this module and understanding the various types of Keyword Planner tools, now we are ready to go with the techniques of search engine optimization. So just join me in the next module, and thank you.